Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted files over on your Android without any root. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so first of all you're going to go to your Google Play Store and download this application named File Recovery and Photo Recovery. Once you're downloaded, now I'm going to click a picture from here, and later we will delete that picture. Alright, so here we go. Now I'm going to delete this picture from here. Alright, so this is our picture and I'm going to delete it, and now you can see there is nothing in my gallery. And after that you're gonna go and open this application right away. Alright, so now you have to select your language and click on let's start. Now you have to give the permission to this application, allow it. Now we have four options. Either we can choose photos, videos, and or audio and documents. So you have to click over on photos and it will display an ad because it's a free app. And so anyway, so just simply skip the ad, and you can see it start scanning your device, and now it will scan. It will take few minutes to scan, and after scanning, alright, so the scanning is completed and you can see it has scanned 8279 photos from our device, which I have deleted before. So we have some options here. Alright, so after that you have to scroll down, and boom, here you can see we have got our picture back. And you can see this is the picture which we have deleted before, and now I can easily recover it from here. So this is basically how you can recover the deleted files from your Android without root. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.